Hi there, welcome to another STAEDTLER art session with Riaan. In today's session we will be drawing a landscape using STAEDTLER's fibre-tip pens. If you have any questions, please use the chat box below or send me an email.
In the spirit of approaching the holidays, let's create something that resembles a holiday. We will start with a peach pink fibre-tip pen and draw the basic elements for our scene. Riaan will be using a cross-hatching technique throughout the whole drawing. Next up is a purple pen to start the darkening in some areas of the drawing. Don't hesitate to go back to previous colors and add more if needed. Riaan is now using the color blue to cool the shaded areas. Add a few purple marks here and there. Don't be afraid to experiment a bit. Riaan is using the grey pen here to desaturate some areas. Add in some yellow to warm up the sky and the reflection on the water. It's now time to add in some black. Be careful not to overdo it too much. You can always add more black a bit later. Riaan is now adding a bit of green in the foreground and on the rocks. He will then add a bit more detail using the black pen. Try to include living things like humans and animals into your landscapes. This creates more of an interest and a sense of scale. Now we add more colors where we see we need it. In this case, Riaan is adding a bit more of the yellow ochre in the foreground, and then we'll use grey to tone down the colors a bit. Keep adding and strengthening colors where you see it is needed. We hope that you've enjoyed this session with us. Please share your art with us on all social media platforms. We would love to see your artworks that you have created with STAEDTLER's products. Happy drawing, and we'll see you in the next session.